Indy, why are you ignoring me? Are you're sticking your tongue out at me? All right, YouTubes. Oh, let me turn the stereo down. It's Saturday morning service calls with NorCal Dave. And boy, do we have a bunch. It's, these guys are getting pictures of the squid. Yeah, it's been over 100 degrees. It's gonna get up there again today. I got a bunch of calls. First one's supposed to be, sounds like a plug condensate drain on a makeup table. And then the next one's gonna be a walk-in cooler at a little store. You know, like a little market that's in the neighborhood. And I have like, kind of like a recall on, I guess it's kind of like a little tiny bar unit. They say it's freezing the beer lines. We'll have to take a look at that one and then see what else floods in throughout the day today. I'm sure we're gonna get a ton more. And let's get out there. Oh yeah, there she is. They got the towels under there for the water. She's an old beater. Let me get it pulled out so we can get behind it. Turn my headlamp on. Let's get back here. Let's see. Let's try and get this out a little further. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like we're flashing a code. DLL. Pressure 118 DLL. Lock alarm. Condenser looks clean. Oh, that's discharge line temperature. Let's kill power right here. Discharge line temperature. It's gonna do the 3 pump outs, right? This one should be for the money. No condenser. I'm missing a condenser fan motor for sure. But I think the head pressure has to come up. There we go. Set the boxes warm so that next fan should kick on. Charge for a hot box and that suction pressure to be that low. I bet it's low on gas. Let's take a look here. Yeah, she's low. Low on charge. All right, the last one just had a small little leak and I just picked up another call for another walk-in box. So let's go take a look at this thing. See if we can get some video. The last one, not so much. First call of the day. That little reach-in was shot to the max. All the aluminum inside the box was rotted away. They're gonna replace it. Let's go see what we get into here. 61, that's no good. Sounds like it's trying to feed, huh? No ice. got the 2-speed fans. Okay. I was checking the stack because it was totally buried. All right, there's our unit. We put it in 2015. September 15 of 15. Let's see if it's tripped on high head. Yep. Tripped on high head. Now, it got hot yesterday, and in our area for high ambience, none of this stuff is sized for 100 degrees ambient, and that's where we get into trouble. I'm gonna go ahead and give the coil a wash out. It's not like super dirty. Let's go ahead and give it a clean out. It's real common in my area. We're in the coastal climate zone, and most of the equipment is sized at 85 condensing. When I replaced this condensing unit, I replaced it with what was there. I didn't go up for a higher ambient, which is what I usually do. All right, let me get that coil cleaned up. Charge is good. Call I thought was a recall, wasn't. It had a failed Dixell control. So I pulled that out and put in the Dwyer Love Control. I buy those on Amazon. I have a video about Dwyer Love Controls. You get the TS3. You can use the TS2 also. It's just tip control with defrost, off-cycle defrost. And it'll fit in where those Dixell controls are. I think the contact on the Dwyer control is rated for 15 amps. Sometimes you can get by without running a relay separate. But I got another walk-in to look at. Let's see, it's 1 o'clock. So, oh yeah, I got a turn right here. We got another walk-in down. So let's see what we're getting into. It was off on H.P.A.C, high pressure lockout. And yeah, coil's dirty, it got hot. And then there's this to watch out for. So y'all are wearing your masks so you don't catch the Rona. I'm still dodging needles so I don't get AIDS. I got some cleaner and my pump sprayer will get her cleaned up. Oh, she's dirty. So dirty. That's 2 years, no maintenance. Almost to the day. Almost 2 years to the day. Put that one in. This is the one that had the My Little Pony. Pony's gone. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff coming out of that coil. See right through that coil. Yep. Alright, let's get her fired back up. That box is hot. I might spray the coil for a bit to help it catch up. The box is hot. It's gonna have a big old load on it. Suction pressure, 404. Way up. That's why you'll see the sight glass flash here, because the box is hot. That will settle down as the box cools. Oh yeah, liquid line's already getting nuclear. That coil looks like. We know what the outside coil looked like. It had been 2 years. I mean, look at the grills. We gotta get those cleaned up too. Oh yeah. I got the goodies right here. Actually, this coil cleaner, the cap that comes with the Frost King coil cleaner, that's a good coil cleaner. It works really well.